My throat closed up. Andre almost fell. Okay, let's start that again. Okay, we'll use it. Beep. Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Sho-Me Tint. I'm gonna show you what's going on in the shop, what we're doing. We're kind of at the end of the day here. A few of my guys have taken off, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what we're doing. And what are we doing? We're starting with this AT4. This is a 2500 Duramax AT4, as cool as it gets. It's got custom black wheels. What? I was gonna show you, the guy was on the fence about making the calipers red. So I put a piece of vinyl in here. Vote in there if you like it. I don't know. I was trying to give him an idea if he would like it or not. So that's stock. And I think he's decided against it for now. He asked me what I would do because it's got a little bit of red here and some red here. And I said, dude, if it was my truck, even though I could have sold him that, I was like, I would get rid of the other red. I would probably tone down all this red into like a black and make it look more sleek, but that's just what I like to do. But it's really about whatever you like, you know what I mean? Sometimes I like the wild calipers on race cars. I don't know how I feel about it on trucks. So if you have an opinion on it, please comment on there. He'd love to watch it. That'll help us out. We're trying to make that call right now. We're doing paint protection film on it. We're gonna use black paint protection on the roof. That's why the cab lights and antenna are off. 27 miles. We just found this out. I'm super bummed out for him. I cried a little bit. It's got one rock chip on the truck already. That's why it's here, getting paint protection film. And we're gonna add I'm gonna go ahead and do the hood and the fenders. I think he needs it. I don't like seeing that on such nice trucks. And we're gonna protect it and make it look cool and shiny and glossy. We're gonna do a ceramic coating on it. And we're gonna fix that chip. Oh yeah, I'll show you a picture of that later. It looks sick. It looked brand new black. You won't even know what happened. So try to remember what it looked like. And we tinted it all out with ceramic film. What else are we doing? Oh, do you want me to show you the Porsche real quick? You wanna see the Porsche or the Hellcat? Porsche. So this was all wrapped in green. And now we wrapped the front clip, which is the full hood, full fenders, full bumper, in paint protection over that. He loved it so much. He said, dude, I want to do the rest of the car. Dropped it off. This is all wrapped. This is all wrapped. Paint protection film and wrap. I don't know anybody else out there doing it. I'll tell you what, if you're doing it out there, hit me up. I'll wait. I didn't hear you. All right, we'll go ahead and comment on there. And let's see, this Sienna van, man, I've done this bumper like 400 times, exactly 400 times. I don't want to tell you guys that because I'm such a good dude. If you have problems, I tell you, I'll bring it back, I'll fix it. Check this out. This spot right here keeps popping back. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. If the customer's washing it crazy, like they're washing it, the water's shooting back up in here, I've fixed this for them at least 455 times, I think. But hopefully this will be the last time. We're gonna take some additional measures, and I think I know how to overcome what I see. Is that carbon fiber wheels on this? What the hell? Oh no. I was like, what is going on with that? So when that Sienna van rolled in the shop, they said it was harder to get than a Ferrari at the time. And now I know that's changed since then, but at one time, these Sienna hybrid vans were so hard to get, and all because it's a hybrid. But now I think they're more accessible. I really don't know. I don't shop for a lot of vans, but usually do race car stuff. This is a Hellcat. The lady's like, she came in, it's a woman that has this car, and she's like, I've always had a dream of making it matte black. And I'm like, I got you, fam. This is it. This is what we're doing. This is how it's starting right here. I think this is the factory matte black that you see. This is the color that it's going. So don't get confused with the hood versus what's going down the sides. And this is the gloss black that it starts with. A lot of the Mopars have a factory matte. We'll probably wrap it all to match, so it all looks the same. It's got the peanut butter inside, a little peanut butter and jelly right there. I like this. I love this color. I've been into that lately. I don't know why. But yeah, so that's just a normal day. You know what I mean? Just a little summertime fun. We got these big ass wheels, big wheels. My buddy dropped these off. Zach, you listening? You watching? I'll send you this video. He's been calling about these every day. We're making them charcoal gray, and we're gonna fix this little bit of road rash. See this? Sand this down a little bit, fix it up, put his name on the inside. Right here, Butler. Matching white lug nuts. Get wild with it. It's your vision. We're making it happen. What's this? Oh man. What do you got for me? A Mexican mask? Let me put this on here. What's this? Oh, this is Hunter's. Hunter, what are you into? Hunter, what are you doing with your life? Oh my God. That looks like a sex mask. Is this a sex mask and a wrestling mask? Oh my God. What is this? This is that. I was gonna put this on, but I don't think I can now. No, that's super gross. All right, Hunter, we're gonna have a conversation. Don't bring your sex mask to work. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know. I'm sketched out. Let's see. I think we got all the cars tinted today. I think we tinted them all. Let's go check out some other projects that we have going on. I'll show you what's going on and You can check out what's going on, and then you'll see what's going on when we go check out what's going on. Let's go check it out. I'll need my keys for this, I think. Guys, we're at the tint shop. Let me show you what's cracking. I know I've showed you this before. I wanted to give you a little preview before the next stage. We added these chrome handles, super fancy. We also wrapped the whole truck. And we wrapped it in this metallic diamond red. So it's hard to see I don't even have a light on me, but this thing is gonna bang in the sun. It is going to be a banger. And the next part is Damascus all over this part, right? This guy is wild. I'm telling you right now, he's so excited about this. He came by the shop. He's come by a couple days. He's like, I haven't felt like this since I was a kid, dude. He's so hyped. And I love that part. That's my favorite part of doing this job. The people, when they get what they want and they're just so hyped, and it doesn't matter if you're 18 or 38 or 58, you're just hyped about it. You're doing car customization stuff. He is pumped. He brought his wife by. They checked it out. It's a whole thing. You know what I mean? It's a whole deal. The next part of this is going to be cool. I wanted you to see it before the Damascus. Tune in the next video. Make sure you, of course, like to subscribe to this one. That'd really help me out. But check the next one out and you'll see the Damascus on here. We're going to put it on tomorrow. It's going to be sick. You're going to have to check it out. He's going to pick it up Friday and he's going to ball out of control. Before we take off, let me show you this real quick. This is something easy. Not everybody has to wrap their whole truck. This is just a little stripe we threw on here. You know, it's not a brand new truck. We made the wheels match. So we threw a little matchy match on the tires and wheels, or just the wheels, and then did the stripe to match. I threw him a free tint job because he's been super patient with us. So I just threw him a little fronts and a windshield on there to make it look cool. And he's going to pick it up tomorrow. So besides that, all the cool stuff's going to be cracking off on the next video. So don't miss that one. Make sure you tune in. Check it out. You're going to like it. It's going to be hip. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys. Thank you.